Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm still your favorite tea girl and your latest spice madam. So my friends, welcome. So if it is your first time of coming across my video or my channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button. And if you have been coming and you are yet to subscribe, please subscribe as well. Share with your friends, give me a thumbs up. Also leave a comment for me. Let me know how you feel about my videos. So today I'm going to talk about curry powder and garam masala. There has been a lot of confusions in me. I've been marketing spices for like 2 years now, and I discovered that a lot of people don't know that garam masala and curry powder, they are not the same. And many people at the same time, they call garam masala curry masala, especially here in Africa, unlike in India where they are being differentiated and used for the various reasons they are made for. So curry powder and garam masala are two different distinct spice blends, especially in India, used for different culinary purposes. Garam masala, often found in every household, especially in India, is a blend of warming spices used both during cooking and as a finishing seasoning. All right, so when it comes to garam masala, it serves two purposes. You can use it in your cooking and at the same time as a seasoning when your food is getting ready. All right, so its composition varies by region and household, but typically includes spices like green and black cardamom, cloves, cinnamon and nutmeg, giving it a strong warming flavor profile. This is for garam masala, which many of you call curry masala today. So on the other hand, curry powder, not originally from India, like a lot of people will say Indian curry, though Indians, we all know they cook a lot of foods with curry powder, right? So originally curry spice powder is not from India, but developed to simplify Indian flavors. It contains milder spices like turmeric, coriander, cumin, fennel, fenugreek and ginger. It depends on your recipe. Some people also add cloves, but if you have studied my spice master class, you discover that clove is not meant to be in curry spice powder, but people can add anything just to turn around their recipes and the rest of them. So curry powder is used primarily during cooking to impart a yellow tint and subtle flavor to dishes without overpowering them. Yeah, so while both blends share some common spices, the quantity and types used distinguish them significantly. Garam masala is stronger and more pungent, suitable for enhancing flavor at the end of cooking, while curry powder is milder and intended for use during cooking to develop basic flavors. They complement each other well in certain dishes, but shouldn't be used interchangeably due to their distinct flavors and profile. I hope you are understanding what I mean here. Like a lot of people will want to use they want to, like, I remember one lady, she's a chef. When I was talking to her about curry spice powder, she said, oh no, I don't use curry spice powder, I use a curry masala. I said, okay, let me see the curry masala you use. So when she showed me the curry masala, I was like, oh, that is what the company that made it call it. But you can't blame her, at all. So I had to make her understand the work of the garam masala, which is popularly called curry masala in Africa, and the work of curry spice powder. And since then, she has been so happy, she has been so grateful. Like even those that attend my spice master class, they will testify that, oh, we now know there is nothing like curry masala. Though like garam masala and curry spice powder, they have almost the same ingredients, but they are different and they are being used differently. So you don't just wake up and start using this one and that. So this is the end of my video, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Subscribe. Bye bye.